Hello friends, welcome to question number 7. So let us start. Write down the inequality in x shown by the open line. So there is a closed or the shaded one and unshaded one. Unshaded one means that value is not included, but this value is included. And so this would be minus 1 less than x less than 1. But since 1 is also included here, this would be equal to 1 also. Okay. But here minus 2 is not excluded, so you should not write equal to. If you write equal to there, you will not get any marks, you will just simply get 0. So minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 1. Unshaded means it is not included, shaded means it is included. Okay, so B part. Write x square plus 4x plus 1 in the form x plus p whole square plus q. Now x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 2 into x plus 1, and if I add 2 square and then subtract 2 square, add and subtract 2 square, then look at this picture, it is in the form a square 2ab and b square, and so this would be equal to x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 1. This is x plus 2 whole square minus 3, and so x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2 whole square minus 3. Okay, so that is how you write it in the form of quadratic terms. Now the next part, use your answer to part B1 to solve the equation x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies x plus 2 whole square minus 3 is equal to 0. If I take this minus 3 to the other side, x plus 2 whole square is equal to 3. And so apply square root on both sides. Now here is very important part. If I apply square root on x plus 2 whole square, I will get x plus 2. But if I apply square root on 3, I will get plus or minus square root of 3. Very important part. Why plus or minus? Because when you apply square root, at least on one side you will get a plus or minus. Be very careful about that. Okay. So x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3. So therefore x is equal to 2 plus square root of 3, or x is equal to minus 2 plus square root of 3, or x is equal to minus 2 minus square root of 3. So, or there, let me write one more point from here. X plus 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. X is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 3. And then I have taken the plus in 1 and minus in 1. So x is equal to minus 2 plus square root of 3, or x is equal to minus 2 minus square root of 3. So minus 2 plus square root of 3 is 0.2679491 and so on. Or minus 2 minus root 3 is 3.73205080 and so on. These are the two values. So if I cut it out to 3 decimal points, I can write x is equal to 0.268 or x is equal to 3.372. These are the two answers, right? This is how you solve a quadratic formula. Now let us do the third part. Use your answer to part B1 to write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the graph. Y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1. So minimum point of y is equal to x minus h whole square plus k is h comma k. And so here we are taking the answer to part B1. So x plus 2 whole square minus 3. the minimum point would be h would be equal to -2 and k would be equal to 3. So the minimum point or k is also negative, which is -3. So the minimum point is -2 and -3. H is equal to -2, h is equal to -3. On the diagram, sketch the graph of x square plus 4x plus 1. So how do you sketch it? If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So one point is 0, 1. And we have already seen that both the points these are all negatives. -2 minus root 3 -2 plus root 3. So minus 0.268 minus 3.372. So they are both negatives. So it is coming somewhere over here and somewhere over here. So this is minus 0.268. This is minus 3.732. And so this is how you draw the graph. And this point is -2, -3. Okay, so this is the sketch the graph. Just they asked us to sketch, so we need to make sure that we get all the points correct. It is touching the y-axis on a positive side. It is touching the x-axis both sides, in both places in the negative axis, and the minimum point is in the third quadrant because h and k both are negative. Those are all the points that we need to make sure we got correctly. And this completes the question. Thank you. Let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best.